We have never seen this happen with Bitcoin ever. And we're going to talk about exactly what this is. This is certainly bullish for Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin historically too. We've got a lot to dive into in this video, guys. But one thing that we're going to talk about later on in this video, again, has never happened before as we inch closer toward Bitcoin ETFs, hoping to be approved here by the deadline tomorrow. Then all eyes and all attention will shift to the Bitcoin halving. So we're going to talk about both of those things here in this video. And again, some historical analysis in this video that you just simply can't ignore. And things are lining up perfectly right now for Bitcoin. There will be a dip and some dips along the way. We're going to cover that too, because I know a lot of people have been calling for a big correction, and we should get one of those. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like on some historical charts, because that's the best way to kind of understand this and really unpack it is look at history, right? These last three cycles back in 2012, or last three halvings rather, 2012, 2016, 2020. We're getting ready for halving number four, and that'll be in 2024 this year, of course. And we'll start there because we are roughly 107 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. They are tracking this over on CoinMarketCap. 107 days, 3 hours, 13 minutes away. And of course, the Bitcoin halving happening every 4 years. It's essential, right, to Bitcoin because it basically solidifies Bitcoin's supply as continuing to be in check and prevents inflation in the asset. And of course, we have the reduction of mining rewards, which obviously means the demand for Bitcoin is always set to increase after halvings. And we want to talk about that a little bit deeper here, guys, and talk about exactly what that means for Bitcoin and where we are regarding that. So if we take a look at this, this is a chart, very historical chart dating all the way back into 2012. So this lower half down here, this lower corner, all the way down there in the bottom left, that's 2012. Okay. And what we're seeing here is 500 days before the halving, that little standpoint right there. Okay. So from right here to right here. And then look what happens after the halving. Huge increase. Now, as you'll see, there are dips along the way. This was 2012, but we are in the midst right now of that 500-day period before the halving. Look what happened here in 2016. Okay, a little bit of a run up, a little less of a run up that we saw in 2012. Okay, and boom, off to the races. Here we are again in 2020 before the halving. Little increase, and then boom, big gain after the halving. And here we go. Then the bear market starts, which we've already just went through. We've all experienced it. And here we are again, 2023 into 2024. We are right here in the midst of it happening yet again. And again, this was a year ago, this chart. So literally, we would put ourselves, you know, right here on this chart. We are trending exactly the same way. And literally, after having four, we could be looking at a $200,000+ Bitcoin price if this plays out as it has in the past. Okay. So that alone, super bullish, right? Super bullish for Bitcoin. Now, I want to take you just inside the chart itself right now. We're at 46K right now, as all eyes are on the Bitcoin ETF. As you guys can see, since our momentum up indicator fired last on the daily 99 days ago, back on October 1st, 67% move to the upside. And guys, it's real simple. All we're using is the tools that I have had built. And again, this is XT Algo, quick plug for my company. You could set up custom alerts, anything crypto stocks related, and be ready to take full advantage like this. If you had signed up with XT Algo, set your custom alert on the 1-day Bitcoin chart. It told you when to buy on October 1st, and we have seen a 67% move since that point. It's just that simple. This thing's not 100% bulletproof, but I'm telling you guys, it's made by the best of the best. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it today. Links down below. All right, with that being said, let's continue on in the video. This is what recently just happened for the first time. First time ever, guys, that Bitcoin has made a golden cross in its history. This means the 50-week moving average crossed over the 200-week moving average. Anytime we see a golden cross, it is a extremely bullish signal for Bitcoin's price in the short term, and really when we think about it in the long term as well. But this is the golden cross that just recently happened. As you guys can see, the first time in history, the 50-week moving average crossed over the 200-week moving average. And these are long time frames, which I love, by the way. This data is way better than looking at like the 50-day and the 200-day. This is a huge deal for Bitcoin. First time ever it's happened. I think we're in store for some upside before we get that dip leading up to the Bitcoin halving that I think we'll see eventually, right? Now, if we take a look at the overall market as a whole, it's up over 3%. Bitcoin is bringing the market up. We are at 46.6 right now. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours did get up over this number, nicely here. We saw Bitcoin actually graze over 47K, got all the way up to 47,200. And we are nicely consolidating here right now as we sit up top our monthly high, and we wait the big news that could send Bitcoin, in my opinion, to 50,000. There's the alt chart. I mean, guys, people are still not paying attention to Bitcoin, and look at the price action that we're seeing. This is more bullish than ever. I'm telling you guys, we are gearing up for a really nice, fun ride here with Bitcoin. Of course, there will be dips along the way. Keep that in mind, right? We know that. But again, this golden cross, and again, a long time frame, very bullish. Now, I want to show you this too. This is where we are in the progress of our cycle. Okay. Let me go full screen here for you. So 2015, you could see right here, we had the downtrend. Okay. The downtrend. And then here you go. This was 2016 as we built up. Okay. We are basically 30% in right now on this bull run. Okay. 30% is where we're at right now. Look at this. 2019. Here it is, May 2020. Look at what happened. Then we got the big dip in the summer, if you guys remember, okay? And then bang, all-time highs happen. All right, now here we are in 2024. Our line right here is getting ready for April 2024. That's around the halving schedule, a little bit before. We are literally 30% into this bull market. This is extremely bullish, ladies and gentlemen, because this shows us, if history repeats itself, that the Bitcoin bull market is still loading. And we are just scratching the surface in terms of where we could go in this next cycle. I am super pumped about where we are and where we could be heading right now on the Bitcoin outlook. I appreciate each and every one of you guys so much. Go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe down below if you have not already. Bitcoin bulls are out as we await the Bitcoin ETF and the Bitcoin halving here in 2024. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Check out XT Algo, as I mentioned down below, if you're looking to become a better trader with crypto and stocks. Get started today. Huge discount code. Links down below for that. Very much appreciate you guys checking it out. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. Instead of $47, it's $37 right now. A little over $1 a day. Give it a try, risk-free today. We'll see you.